Hey guys, it's Daniel coming to you with another video. I was out here the other day working on this new to me 2001 Kawasaki Prairie 4x4. It's a 300. I picked it up probably about a month ago, and I've been working on it ever since, trying to get her up and running, and you know, where I'm not going to have to worry about it for a while. And my son was out here, and he said, "Dad, why aren't you recording any of this, or why aren't you making any videos?" He said that a lot of this could be helping somebody. So I'm going to try to make some more videos. I got this Kawasaki Prairie, and I also got a 2003 Honda Rancher 350 4x4. So if you'd like to see any videos on either one of those, just let me know. But on YouTube, I don't see much about a Kawasaki Prairie. I mean, they're on there, but not any really how-to anything. But anyway, just let me know if you are interested in seeing something. But anyway, let's get into it. What I'm doing today, I have been on this fluid reservoir for the brakes, trying to get them off. And these little screws there, they are in there tight. And pretty much everything I've seen says that if it hadn't been changed in a while and they're brown like that, they ain't coming off. Well, they'll come off, just you're going to have to replace them. But I've just about stripped those out. And before I stripped them out too bad, I went on YouTube looking around, and I think I might have found the solution for it. This impact driver set. The way this works, you hit it with a hammer, and it turns about an eighth to a quarter of a turn, and while on impact, so it's pressing down and turning all in the same time. So hopefully this will get these loose for me, and I can finally see what brake fluid looks like since probably 2001, because the condition of this bike, it don't look like anybody's done any kind of service or anything to it. Maybe changed the oil the whole time they had it. Anyway, let me get this camera set up and I'll get that open. Alright, sorry about that. I had to make up something to hold the camera, because I gotta have both hands for this. Alright, I'm opening this up. Alrighty. And inside you see the tool and the 4 bits. Got 2 Phillips and 2 flats that comes with it. Get this and this. Alright. Just stick this in there. And this is also, you can change the direction of it, the left or right. So I guess you can tighten stuff with it too, but we're going to be loosening up. Alright, you stick it in like so. So I'll lift that up a bit. There we go. Alright, this hammer is very excessive, but you can probably just use any hammer. I like this one because I just do. Probably be better to actually take this brake assembly off and work on it on your bench or something like that. But see, I didn't want to do that because I just didn't want to, and you know, and I didn't want to hit it too hard with just a screwdriver and a hammer. So I'm just gonna tap on this a couple times and see if we can get this thing loose. The wind is blowing real bad, so y'all shaking, I'm sorry. this one. Okay. See if that did the trick. Oh, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Got this one. Oh yeah, and this is not a brand new Autocraft. You owe me money. Oh, this one's going too. I'm telling y'all, I have been trying to get these screws out for a while. This is exciting. Alright. Put that down. Take this. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh yeah, this has not been opened in a while. Now I'm going to take that apart and look at that. Yeah. Let's get this. And that's what the inside looks like. Yeah, I'm going to clean that out. I don't know if that's rust, if that's water in there, or if that's actually just some really bad decomposed brick. I don't know what that is. Anyway, but that's how you use an impact driver, screwdriver, and the Autocraft impact driver set. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you in some way, some form or fashion. And like I said, if you want to see more videos on this Kawasaki Prairie 300, let me know. Or the Honda Rancher 350. Hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. Oh, and I meant to tell you, this set right here at Advanced Auto, it was like 20 bucks. Like 20 bucks is some change. I've seen them on eBay. You can get them for $16, $17, or if you want to wait on them to get here from China, you get them for $14. But anyhow, I was wanting to do this today, so I went ahead and got it at the store. Alright, have a wonderful, great day. Bye bye.